Every great business starts with an idea. It could be a spark of inspiration during a casual conversation, a solution to a problem you faced, or a vision for a better future. This idea is the seed that, with the right nurturing, can grow into something extraordinary. Then comes the hard part, turning that idea into a publicly traded company. This transformation requires not just passion, but also meticulous planning, strategic thinking, and relentless execution. It's about assembling the right team, securing funding, and navigating the complex regulatory landscape. This journey, from ideation to IPO, is a marathon, not a sprint. It demands endurance, patience, and a long-term vision. Just like marathon runners train for months, sometimes years, entrepreneurs must be prepared for the long haul, facing challenges and setbacks along the way. It's a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, requiring grit, determination, and a whole lot of coffee. There will be exhilarating moments of success and daunting periods of doubt. The key is to stay focused, keep pushing forward, and never lose sight of your ultimate goal. This essay breaks down this exciting journey into bite-sized pieces. We'll explore each stage in detail, from the initial concept to the final bell ringing on the stock exchange. By understanding these steps, you'll be better equipped to navigate your own path to success. Think of it as your roadmap to navigating the complex world of startups and eventually the stock market. Each milestone on this journey is a critical step towards achieving your dream of going public. We'll provide insights, tips, and real-world examples to guide you along the way. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just curious about the business world, understanding these steps is crucial. Knowledge is power, and by learning from those who have successfully navigated this path, you can avoid common pitfalls and increase your chances of success. It's like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you? Each stage of the process is essential, from laying a strong foundation to constructing the walls and finally adding the finishing touches. Skipping steps or rushing through them can lead to instability and failure. Each stage builds upon the last, creating a solid foundation for success. From securing initial funding to scaling operations and finally preparing for the IPO, every step is interconnected. A strong foundation ensures that your business can withstand the pressures and challenges of going public. So, buckle up, grab your entrepreneurial spirit, and let's dive in. The path to an IPO is challenging but incredibly rewarding. With the right mindset, preparation, and perseverance, you can turn your idea into a thriving public company. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the doors to your business's full potential. Every successful business solves a problem. What's yours? This is the fundamental question that every aspiring entrepreneur must ask themselves. It's the cornerstone of your business journey, the spark that ignites your passion and drives you forward. This question is the starting point of your journey. It's where you begin to explore the landscape of possibilities, where you start to map out your path. It's not just about having an idea, it's about having a vision, a purpose that resonates with you and your potential customers. Maybe you're passionate about sustainable living and dream of creating eco-friendly cleaning products. Imagine a world where every household uses products that are not only effective, but also kind to the environment. Your passion for sustainability could drive you to innovate and create products that make a real difference. Or perhaps you're a tech whiz with an innovative app idea to revolutionize online dating. Fewer ghosters, please. Think about the impact you could have on people's lives by creating a platform that fosters genuine connections and meaningful relationships. Your tech skills could be the key to solving a common problem in the digital age. Once you have an idea, don't just quit your day job, validate it. This means testing your concept, gathering feedback, and making sure there's a real demand for what you're offering. It's about being smart and strategic, ensuring that your idea has the potential to succeed before you take the plunge.
Market research is your best friend here. Talk to potential customers, understand their pain points. What are their needs and desires? What problems are they facing that your product or service could solve? This information is invaluable and will guide you in refining your idea. See what your competition is doing, and more importantly, not doing. Identify gaps in the market, opportunities that others have overlooked. This is where you can differentiate yourself and offer something unique. It's about finding your niche, that sweet spot where your passion and the market's needs intersect. This is where you separate your brilliant idea from a flop. It's a critical phase where you assess the viability of your concept. Are you solving a real problem? Is there a market for your solution? These are the questions you need to answer before moving forward. Take the story of Airbnb. It's a perfect example of how identifying a simple problem can lead to a groundbreaking business. The founders identified a simple problem: finding affordable accommodation while traveling. They saw an opportunity where others saw a challenge. They validated their idea by offering air mattresses on their living room floor. This humble beginning allowed them to test their concept, gather feedback, and refine their offering. The rest, as they say, is history. From those early days, Airbnb grew into a global phenomenon, revolutionizing the way people travel and find accommodation. Their story is a testament to the power of finding your niche and solving a real problem. So, what's your niche? What problem will you solve? The journey begins with a single step, and that step is finding your niche.
Imagine launching a fantastic new line of winter coats in sunny Miami. Recipe for disaster, right? The sweltering heat and perpetual sunshine make it the least likely place for such a product to succeed. This scenario highlights the importance of aligning your product with the right market conditions. Without this alignment, even the best products can fail miserably. That's why understanding your target market is crucial. Knowing who your customers are, where they live, and what they need can make or break your business. It's not just about demographics, it's about getting into the psyche of your potential buyers. What drives them? What are their daily challenges? Who are your ideal customers? Are they young professionals, busy parents, or perhaps retirees looking for convenience? Creating detailed customer personas can help you visualize and understand your target audience better. These personas should include not just age and income, but also lifestyle, values, and even hobbies. What are their needs, desires, and pain points? Conducting surveys and focus groups can provide invaluable insights. What problems are they facing that your product can solve? What features do they value the most? Understanding these aspects can help you tailor your product to meet their specific needs.
Product market fit is like finding the perfect dance partner. When you find that perfect match, everything flows smoothly. Your product and your market move in harmony, creating a seamless experience for your customers. It's a beautiful synergy that can lead to long-term success. Your product needs to seamlessly meet the needs of your market. This means constant iteration and improvement based on customer feedback. It's a dynamic process that requires you to stay agile and responsive to changing market conditions. It's not just about building a great product, it's about building the right product for the right people. This involves a deep understanding of your market and a commitment to continuous improvement. Your product should evolve as your customers' needs evolve. Then comes TAM, or Total Addressable Market. This is a critical metric that helps you understand the full revenue potential of your product. Knowing your TAM can guide your marketing and sales strategies, helping you allocate resources more effectively. This is the total market size you can potentially reach with your product. It's not just about the number of people who might buy your product, but also about the total revenue you can generate. Understanding your TAM can help you set realistic goals and measure your progress. For example, if you're selling vegan ice cream, your TAM isn't everyone in the world, but rather the total number of vegan ice cream lovers, a surprisingly large and growing market. This niche market is expanding as more people adopt plant-based diets. By focusing on this specific group, you can tailor your marketing efforts and product features to meet their unique needs, ensuring a higher likelihood of success.
Section 4. Making money moves. Business models and revenue. You have a great idea and a hungry market. Now, how will you make money? This is where your business model comes in.
Are you B2B, like a software company selling to other businesses, or B2C, like a trendy clothing brand?
Next, determine your revenue streams. Will you sell products directly, offer subscriptions, or perhaps use a freemium model like Spotify? Understanding how you'll generate revenue is key to building a sustainable business.
Think of Netflix. They started as a DVD rental service but pivoted to a subscription-based streaming platform, completely disrupting the entertainment industry. Their revenue model? Simple monthly subscriptions from millions of happy viewers binge-watching their favorite shows.
Section 5. Building your masterpiece. Product development. This is where your idea transforms from a concept on paper to a tangible product or service. Product development is an iterative process.
Start with a minimum viable product or MVP, a basic version of your product with just the core features. Get feedback from early adopters. Iterate and improve based on their input. Don't be afraid to pivot if needed. Remember, even the iPhone wasn't perfect in its first iteration.
Think of a company like Tesla. They didn't start by building a mass-market electric car. They began with a high-end sports car, the Tesla Roadster, to test the waters and refine their technology before moving on to more affordable models.